Hi guys, today's topic is will you be my friend? What does mean by will you be my friend? Here, the friendly element is carbon. A carbon is a friendly element. Why we are saying like that means most of the compounds that chains and all depends on carbon only. This like only having. In this other atoms will joined. For example, in previous chapter and all we saw hydrogen joined like this. I'm writing this just for an example. I didn't write the complete valency. See here, for this carbon only one valence is here. To complete this 2 3 and 4, here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 and 4. So I'm just writing simply as an example. So carbon is the main thing. It is a friendly element. So all other atoms are attached with this carbon. Instead of this hydrogen, not only hydrogen is attached to carbon. Instead of this hydrogen, halogens, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. So these groups also attached instead of this hydrogen atom. Okay. One or more hydrogen will be replaced. For example, this hydrogen will be replaced and here this halogen group will come. Otherwise, oxygen group or nitrogen group or sulfur. Not only this hydrogen, any hydrogen at any place. So this hydrogen is instead of this hydrogen, halogens, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, anything will present here. And also the valency we have to satisfied. And these atoms, it is replacing the hydrogen atoms, no, halogen, oxygen and nitrogen, sulfur, and these atoms and all known as heteroatoms. Heteroatoms. And these groups are attached to that carbon chain, and when we are naming that carbon chain, that group's name will be added in prefix or suffix, and that groups are also known as functional groups. That groups are also known as functional groups. Now we are going to see some of the examples for that. For example, heteroatoms I said. What are the examples I said? Halogens, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur I said. Here heteroatoms I am taking here chlorine or bromine. Chlorine or bromine I am taking. And what is the class of compounds? Class of compounds means in a halogen group it is the chloro group or bromo group, any group. Okay. And what is the functional group? What is the formula for that functional group? Means for this chloro Cl will come, for bromo Br will come. Okay, this is the functional group. And next oxygen, the class of compounds, the oxygen directly will not attach it. It will be in the attaching formation of alcohol, like that. Alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, like that it will be attached to the carbon chain instead of hydrogen. For alcohol, what is the formula for the functional group? Means OH. For aldehyde, CHO. For ketone, C double bond O. For carboxylic acid, COOH. Okay, here the COOH, how it will be attached means this, like it will be attached. For this aldehyde, how it will be attached means for aldehyde C H and double bond O. This like it will be attached. This is the formula for a functional group which is attached to the carbon atom. And the next topic is homologous series. What is meant by homologous series means we said that carbon chain and all straight chain, it may be a straight chain or a branched chain. And in this chains, the hydrogen atoms is replaced by heteroatoms. We said, what are all the heteroatoms? We said chlorine, it may be, or bromine, or aldehyde or ketone, anything we said. Okay, aldehyde or alcohol, like that, anything we said. For example, alcohol functional group we can see here, CH3OH, C2H5OH, methanol, ethanol, like this. See here, the functional group is what? Alcohol. Alcohol group is a functional group here, and the properties of these three compounds will be similar. They have the same properties. Why? Because the functional group in both in this three, what is present? Alcohol is present. So the properties depends on the functional group which is attached to the carbon atom. Here methane formula is what? CH4. Instead of this one hydrogen CH3, instead of another one hydrogen, the alcohol group is added here. Okay, and the properties of these things are similar because in these three things also alcohol is the functional group, and its molecular mass is always increase in this homologous series. Molecular mass of the compound, molecular mass of the compound in the homologous series, in this homologous series, the molecular mass of the compound is always increase. Why? Means the melting point and the boiling point is also melting point plus boiling point. These two also is in the higher. Why? Because means it depends on the functional group, how much amount of functional group is attached to that main group, and their weightage, the carbon atom weightage, hydrogen atom weightage, and the functional group weightage. According to that, the molecular mass of the compound also will be increased, and the melting point and the boiling point is also will be increased. And now nomenclature of carbon compounds. What is nomenclature? How we are giving the name for this carbon compounds. Okay, that only we are going to see. And this name of this will be where it is present, in the prefix or in the suffix. That and all we are going to see. The four important points will be present in this nomenclature of the carbon compounds. And what is the first point means? How many number of carbon atoms? It depends on number of carbon atoms which is present in the main compound. Okay, number of carbon atoms. For example, one carbon atom means what we will say? Methane. Two carbon atom means ethane. Three carbon atom means propane. Meth, eth, prop only will come. For alkane, I am just saying an example. This is meth, eth, prop only for number of carbon atoms. Alkane group, I am saying methane. For example, alcohol group will be present there means methanol will come. Alcohol group will come means aldehyde means methanaldehyde. Like that, what functional group is present, it will come on the suffix. But the main thing is, main name will be is 1 means meth, 2 means eth, and 3 means prop, 4 means but, and 5 means pent, 6 means hex. Like that the name will come. Okay, for alkene group I said an example for methane. For alcohol it will come methanol. For aldehyde it will go methanaldehyde, like that. And now second point is the name I said no, the functional group name will be present in. For example, alcohol or aldehyde or anything. Here I said what alkane or alcohol means methanol. I said no, the functional group names will be present in prefix or suffix. Prefix or suffix, anything. Methanol, here all will come at suffix. So like that it will be in prefix or in suffix. If it is present in suffix means the functional group name, no, functional group name will be AEIOU. For example, 3 carbon means what will come? Prop. 3 means prop will come. Prop. Ketone group if present means the functional group is here. Ketone group. Functional group is here. Ketone group means what will come means propanone. Propanone. So like that it will come. Okay. the functional group is present in suffix means it will be end in AEIOU. Here see propanone, one, like that it will come. And fourth one is whether the carbon chain is saturated means En will come. Saturated means En, propane, butane, like that it will come. If it is unsaturated means En will come. Double bond means E will come. Triple bond means Ein will come. Propene, propine, like that the name will be differ. Okay. Now some of the examples we are going to see here. Class of compounds means what, which group is attaching, alcohol group or aldehyde group or ketone group, like that. Prefix or suffix, what the name will come, and example we are going to say. Now haloalkanes we are going to take. Haloalkane, what is meant by haloalkane? Alkane means it will end at propane, butane, like that it will end. Halo group means it may be chlorine or bromine. Halogen groups will present. Okay. Now prefix or suffix. Okay. Prefix means what, in front first name it will come. Okay. For example, propane means prefix means here it will come. Okay. Here what name? Chlorine if we are adding means chloropropane. Bromine we are adding means bromopropane, like that it will come. Okay. Prefix we are adding here, it may be chloro group or bromo group. Okay. Now example we can say for chloropropane we will add chloropropane. Okay. Now propane means how many carbon will present? 1 2 3 3 only. Propane 1 2 3. Now complete the valency for this one. 1 2 3 and 4. If you have any valency doubt and how to fill hydrogen atom means in I will give the link in the description box. You can see that videos clearly, then you come here means it will be easy for you. Now complete for this carbon valency 1 2 3 4. For this carbon 1 2 3 4. Yeah, correct. Now this chloro group before that I have to write complete the hydrogen here. Okay, hydrogens here I am writing the hydrogen, but here I am adding chloro group, so I am just cancelling one hydrogen and I am adding here one chlorine. So this is chloropropane. Okay, here in the prefix the chlorine is added and this is the formula for chloropropane. Next one I am going to add a bromo group in prefix only I am adding bromo group. So I am going to see here for bromopropane. For propane how many carbon atom? 3 carbon atom. Complete the valency 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So I am writing hydrogen atoms here, completing the valency for carbon. Instead of one hydrogen atom I am adding here bromine. So what is the name for this? Bromopropane. Okay. Yeah, next class of compounds what I am going to add means alcohol. Alcohol in suffix I am adding the name suffix. What means alcohol? OL will come. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, like that it will come. So what I am going to prepare means propanol. Propane means 3 carbon atoms. Okay. Now complete the valency here. Yeah, hydrogen. One instead of one hydrogen, alcohol group OH group is present here. So propanol is present. And next group is aldehyde group. Aldehyde also it will adding suffix al will come. See the difference. For alcohol ol, methanol will come, but in aldehyde al, this al will come at suffix al. Okay. Propanaldehyde. This is propanol and this is propanale. Al will come. Propanale or propanale. Like that we will see. What is the formula? Propanale 1 2 3 carbon atom and completing the valency. But here aldehyde group how will it will come in the previous In the previous paragraph I told aldehyde C, H and double bond O. This like only the group will present. So C, H, double bond O. So this is propanaldehyde. Okay. And here next one is ketone group. I am adding ketone group in a suffix only it will come. How it will come means own. I said no AEIOU like that own. Here we are going to see about propanone. How many carbon atom? 3, and I am completing the hydrogen. Before that, propanone means that functional group, how it will be means C double bond O. This like the functional group will be present. So I am writing the functional group in between this carbon atom, double bond O, and as usual I am completing the hydrogens here. Okay. This is known as propanone. And next one is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, for this also suffix the name will come. Oic acid, like that it will come. Oic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, like that it will come. Okay. For this as usual propanoic acid. 3 carbons, and I am completing the valency. For acid, how the group will come in C double bond O, single bond OH. This is the functional group for acid. So C double bond O, single bond OH. This like it will come. And next one is alkenes. Alkenes means this is unsaturated, because double bond will come. Alkenes means unsaturated. And here suffix what will come? Ene will come. For double bond ene will come. For triple bond ine will come. Triple bond means that name is alkynes. Okay. Now here we are going to see propene. 3 carbons, and one double bond will be come in between the carbon. Okay, so I am writing here double bond. Now complete the valency. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Again I am saying, if you have any doubt in the valencies means see my previous videos. I will give the link in the description box. You can clearly then come to here. Here propene means one double bond will be present here, so I written and I am completing the valency. Then I am writing the hydrogens to complete the valency. So this is propene. Now propyne. Propyne means triple bond will come. Okay, so as usual C and triple bond is present here. Then I am completing the valency. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. For this carbon atom valency is completed. For this carbon atom 1 2 3 and 4. Now I am writing the hydrogens. So this is propyne. Thank you.